I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select affiliate. Connect with the plugin. Plugin connected successfully. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Actions and conditional logic have advanced features. You can use them as per your requirements. You can add referral status and referral type under the action section. To complete this integration, you must log in to your WordPress account. Next. Finish and save it. Please fill in the necessary information on your form using the variable data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your affiliate dashboard. Then navigate to the referrals. You can confirm that the data has been received successfully in the referrals section. Thanks for watching.